meal preppers, Paul coming at you here from Let's Meal Prep. Short week for us, so we're gonna give you some options that you can cook really quick and meal prep for the week really quick and not have to sacrifice having a boring meal, something that's not interesting, something not to look forward to, because that is what we strive for when we give you these recipes. Always want to look forward to the food because you know you're going to eat it more than once. So always want to look forward to a great dish. Doesn't change when we make food that's really quick. We made 2 meals this week. It took us 20 minutes to get those done. That's 8 servings, 4 each. I was gone on Monday, Tuesday, so I didn't need meals for that one. Amy has her meals, but she also is going to cook later in the week when I get back. So here's what we did. I've got a chicken plate with chicken bento box plate. So that is just chicken breasts with some other stuff thrown in there. And then this is a 1 skillet dish, which is a sweet potato and ground turkey with a little bit of taco seasoning cooked together. So what I did is I marinated the chicken first. And then while that was marinating, got this up and running into the 1 skillet. Brown the ground turkey, get the sweet potato in there, red pepper, black beans, put it all in 1 skillet, put it on top and let it simmer for about 15 minutes or until the sweet potatoes are done. While that is simmering, the chicken was done marinating here. I threw the chicken on the grill and then took it off, chopped it up, and then plated it with some cherry tomatoes, baby peppers, baby carrots, some red pepper, some cheese cubes, a couple of baby cucumbers, and then we've got some dressing right there as well to dip it all in. And plated that up. Boom, once this is done simmering, put this on a bed of spinach to give a little bit more protein in there, a little bit more veggies in there, because 2 handfuls of spinach is gonna wilt down when I heat that up and get that cooking, topped it with a little bit of green onion. So that's it, guys. I got a little chicken bento box and ground turkey with sweet potato. And 20 minutes. I'll throw a third dish in there for you guys so that you can see it there if you need 3 for this week. And I'll try to make it, I'll pick a quick one for you. But thanks, guys. Hope you have a great week. And that's it for making a quick meal prep. All right, take care. Bye-bye.